Welcome to English News Bulletin. I'm Dibrugarh, bringing to you today's headlines. PM Modi to lay foundation stone of Rs 10,000 crore fertiliser plant in Dibrugarh on December 21st. Assam government appoints 43 urban engineers. Total state jobs cross 1.42 lakh mark. Assam BJP sounds alarm over Bangladesh radicalisation, flags security threat to northeast. Sribhumi Panchayat secretary jumps into drain to flee angry locals. Now the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to lay the foundation stone of a Rs 10,000 crore fertiliser project in Assam's Dibrugarh district on December 21st. Marking a major boost to industrial development and agricultural infrastructure in the northeast. The project is expected to enhance domestic fertilizer production, reduce dependence on imports, and generate significant employment opportunities in the region. State and central government officials said the initiative aligns with the centre's vision of strengthening self-reliance in the fertilizer sector while promoting balanced regional growth. The upcoming foundation ceremony is all seen as a key moment for Assam, as the project is likely to benefit farmers across the northeast and reinforce Dibrugarh's role as an emerging industrial hub. Reinforcing its focus on strengthening urban governance, the Assam government on December 18th handed over appointment letters to 43 urban technical officers under the Housing and Urban Affairs Department. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma presided over the ceremony, highlighting the need for skilled manpower to manage rapid urbanization across the state. With these latest appointments, the total number of government jobs provided under the current dispensation has crossed 1.42 lakh, the Chief Minister said. He stressed that qualified urban engineers will play a crucial role in planning, infrastructure development, and efficient service delivering in growing towns and cities. The government reiterated its commitment to transparent recruitment and capacity building in urban administration, stating that strengthening technical expertise is essential for sustainable urban development in Assam. The Assam BJP has raised serious concerns over what it described as growing radicalisation in neighbouring Bangladesh, warning that the trend poses a direct threat to Assam and the wider northeast region. Terming it a dangerous unfolding reality, the party linked cross-border extremist influences to incidents of violence and instability in the region. Addressing the issue, BJP leaders said unchecked radical elements across the border could have serious implications for internal security, social harmony, and border management. They called for heightened vigilance, stronger intelligence, coordination, and firm action to prevent any spillover effects. The party urged the centre and state authorities to remain proactive in safeguarding national security, stressing that the Northeast's strategic and sensitive location demands constant monitoring of cross-border developments. A dramatic scene unfolded in Sribhumi when a Panchayat secretary allegedly jumped into a roadside drain to escape angry locals protesting against him. The incident, captured on video, has since gone viral, drawing widespread attention. According to sources, residents had confronted the secretary over alleged irregularities and delays in Panchayat-related works. As the situation escalated and tempers flared, the official reportedly attempted to flee the spot and in the process jumped into a drain to avoid the crowd. Police later intervened to bring the situation under control. Officials said the matter is being looked into, while the incident has once again highlighted growing public anger over local governance and accountability issues in the area. Here we come to the end of today's news. Stay tuned for our next bulletin.